Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Fisker, ticker symbol FSR. And so the reason why I wanted to go over the chart today on November 27th is because there was an nearly 18% drop in the price during trading hours, closing at $1.83. And so, yeah, a lot of downward price action. New low of 179 was recently hit. So I think there's a lot to cover with that. And so to start, before I get into these levels in green and red over here, I just want to go over this blue downtrending level of support that I think might be pretty significant. And so this is based on the low of let's see, October 12th, 2022. That's the start of that line. And then the pivot point is based on the low of, let's see, April 21st, 2023. And so from that, it looks like price action is right around that level now. And actually the low of 179 that was hit on November 22nd perfectly hit that downtrending blue line. So I do think that that could be a pretty important level to be paying attention to. And then so 179, as I had mentioned, was the low on November 22nd. I'm just going to adjust this so we can see all those lines there. Yeah, so with that green candle that on that day, November 22nd, what we see is a green bullish hammer or a bottoming tail coming down from that candle. And so that would suggest a reversal. It does appear that there was a little bit of a reversal, a little bit of a bounce the following day. However, on November 27th, that was more or less negated. However, what would truly negate this bottoming tail would be a close below it, a close below 179. And given that the close today was 183, we are still at a potential bottom. And so what I would hope to not see is a close below 179 because that would suggest that further downside is likely, negating this reversal signal here. But since we haven't closed below that level, there's still some hope. It is possible that price will drop below 179 as this level of support, the blue downtrending level of support, is downtrending. Price may go below that level as long as it closes above 179. That would suggest the bottom is in or around the corner. And so the next level that I have drawn up here that would also be support, potential support, is 222. We're currently below that price now, but due to what looks like some consolidation between current price and 222, once that price level is breached, I do think it will serve as support before moving up to the higher levels that I have marked in red. And so those are levels of resistance that I see, the first one being at $3.16.1, really just based on this consolidation over the course of 3 days, the overlap of 3 days. It's going to be tough to get above that level, those levels with price action being there. The next level to the upside is $3.74.5. That is again based on this consolidation over 3 trading days. And that is also the low of November 13th before there was a gap down. So in order to get up to that level, that would be filling this small gap that's right here. But, once that level is reached, $3.74.5, because of this consolidation, I suspect it might be rejected. All right, and then this final level that I have up here is $4.30. I suspect that will be significant resistance because of all this sideways action here. And so what I would expect to see over if this level of 179 is respected, there are no closes below it, I would expect a retest of 222 and then hopefully consolidating on that level, serving as support, and then potentially being rejected from these levels, but then as breaking through them, as the price breaks through them, pulling back to bounce off of them and serving as support before continuing to the next level. So yeah, those are my thoughts on FSR. If you enjoyed them, make sure you like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.